Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare spirulina versus moringa powder. We'll explore these two popular superfoods, understanding their unique origins and general health benefits. Both are celebrated for their dense nutritional profiles and their ability to support overall wellness. You'll learn how each can be a valuable addition to your daily routine, whether in smoothies or other dishes. Let's dive into their nutritional differences. Spirulina boasts a higher protein content, typically around 60% to 70% by weight, and is rich in B vitamins. Moringa, on the other hand, excels in fiber, iron, and vitamins A and C. Both are packed with beneficial antioxidants, but spirulina contains a unique compound called phycocyanin. Now, let's look at the health benefits each offers. Spirulina is often praised for its potential to boost immune function and help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Moringa is well regarded for its ability to assist in regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Both superfoods contribute positively to your energy and natural detoxification processes, promoting overall wellness. When it comes to usage, taste is a key factor. Spirulina has a very distinct, strong, sea-like flavor that some find challenging. Moringa offers an earthy, slightly bitter taste, which many find more palatable. Typical daily intake for spirulina is often 3 to 5 grams, while moringa powder dosage usually ranges from 1 to 6 grams.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.